శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. సదాశివసమారంభాం శంకరాచార్యమధ్యమాం అస్మదాచార్యపర్యంతాం వందే గురుపరంపరాం. Today is an auspicious day of Sita Navami, Vaisakha Shukla Navami in the morning, and the Dasami Tithi as of now. The eve or tomorrow it is an auspicious Mohini Ekadasi. This Shukla Dasami is also the Aradhana of Sadasiva Brahmendra Saraswati. Sadasiva Brahmendra is a great sage. Sringayari Parampara actually does the Danda Pranama to that sage, and my Guru has high esteem on Sadasiva Brahmendra Saraswati. Remembering all the great sages, without more of delay, we'll get into the subject. Adhyatma Ramayanam, Aranyakanda, 4th Sarga to 7th Sarga, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 Sargas, not complete, but the pieces of it, which includes the Sita Apaharanam, we will see. The first 4th Sarga, as we have closed the yesterday's talk or reading out, Rama has actually moved towards the Panchavati. So Sri Mahadeva Uvacha, 4th chapter, 1st sloka. Marge vrajan dadarsadha sailasrungamiva sthitam vruddham jatayusham Rama kimetaditi vismitaha dhanuradaya saumitre rakshasvayam purastitaha ityaha rakshmanam Ramo hanishyam Rushi Bhakshakam, Hanishyam Rushi Bhakshakam. So he has seen a lot of Rakshasas. As he walked forward, he has seen a gigantic Jatayu, Pakshi, a bird. So Sailasrungameva sthitam Vruddham Jatayusham Ramaha Kimedam iti vismitaha. So kim idam iti vismitaha. So what is this? Why so big a bird? I will kill this bird. It looks like it is killing Rushi Bhakshakam. Tatsrutva Ramavachanam Gradhararad Bhayapiditaha Vadharhoham Nate Rama Pitusteham Priyasakha Jatayurnama Bhadrante Grudroham Priyakruttava. So he said, Jatayu, hearing to this statement of Rama, Tatsrutva, feeling afraid, Vadharhoham Nate Rama, I am not the one who has to be killed by you. I am your father's friend. Jatayu, my name is Jatayu. Bhadrante Grudroham Priyakruttava. Panchavatyam aham vatse tavaiva priyakamyaya. Mrogayayam kadachittu priyate lakshmanopicha. So he says, I am here to help you. So I am not here to harm you. So I will Sita Janakakanya me Rakshitavya Priyatnataha Srutva tad Grudha Vachanam Ramaha Sasneham Abravit Sadhu Grudha Maharaja Tadheva Kurume Priyam Atraiva Samipasto Natidure Vane Vasan Ityamantrita Malingya Yeyo Panchavatim Prabhu Lakshmanena Sahabhrata Setaya Raghunandanaha Gatva Te Gautami Tiram Panchavatyam Munistaram Mandiram Karayamasa Lakshmanena Subuddhina. They have created a mandiram there, Actually, in Panchavati, I have also seen there is a underground guha to also is there to be saved from any unforeseen attacks. So that is Sita Guha. Tatrate Nyavasan Sarve Gangaya Uttare Tate Kadamba Vasasa Madri Phalavuksha Samakule. So they started living there happily. Jatayu is there to protect from outside, and they have this Akshay Banatuniras, all the blessings from the sages and everything. So one day, while happily being there, there is a Gautami Tata next to, so they go and take bath in the water stream, continuously flowing water stream of Godavari. They come and being happily there. Ekada Lakshmane Rama Mekante Mupasthitam Vinaya Vanato Bhutva Paparcha Parameshwaram. 16th sloka, this is of this 4th sarga. One day, when Rama is in Ekanta, means Rama is sitting alone, Lakshmana approached him. Samupasthitam Vinayananato Bhutva Paprachar Parameshwaram. To the Parameshwara Rama, he said like this: Bhagavan Srotumichami Mokshasya Eikantikim Gatim Tatvah Kamalapatraksha Sankshepat Vaktumarhasi Jnanam Vijnana Sahitam Bhakti Vairagya Brumhitam Achakshvame Raghusreshta Vaktan Anyosti Bhutale. So he has done a pariprashna. Lakshmana has done a pariprashna to Rama. Jnanam Bhagavan Srotumichami. Hey Bhagavan, Jnanavan, a great sage of wisdom. Srotumichami, I want to hear from you. Mokshasya ekantikim gatim. Mokshasya ekantikim gatim. Tattvaha kamalapatraksha sankshepat vaktumarhasi. Briefly you explain me. Jnanam vijnana sahitam bhakti vairagya brumhitam. Jnanam vijnana sahitam. Not only the final statement of jnana, along with vijnana. Vijnana is the way to realize the truth. Bhakti vairagya samrutam, which is having devotion and dispassion. Bhakti vairagya are the two sides of this jnanam. So dry jnana will not work. So it is always should be covered on both sides by bhakti and vairagya. Bhakti vairagya brumhitam achakshvame raghusreshta. So Achakshva, let me listen from you. Vaktan anyosti bhutale. There is no other who can teach this to me. So this is the teaching of Rama to Lakshmana. So there is a larger Rama Gita which will come in Uttarakanda. This is a short version of it. Sri Rama Uvacha Srunume Vakshyami Te Vatsa Guhyat Guhyataram Param Yadvijnaya Narojan Hyat Sadyo Vaikalpikam Bhramam. So Yadvijnaya, having known this, Sadyaha Vaikalpikam Bhramam Jahyat, one who can kill, or Jahya, to take away, Vikalpikam Bhramam, imaginary delusion. So the delusion Vaikalpikam and Brahmam. Guhyat Guhyataram Param, which is a secret of all the secrets, supreme secret. Adau Maya Swarupante Vakshyami Tadanantaram Jnanasya Sadhanam Paschat Jnanam Vijnana Samyutam. Adau Maya Swarupam. First I will tell you the delusion, nature of the delusion. Maya Swarupante Vakshyami. Tadanantaram, after that, Jnanasya Sadhanam, the path to the knowledge. Paschat Jnanam Vijnana Samyutam. Jnanam and the realization, the nature of realization. Jnyayancha Paramatmanam Yajñatva Muchyate Bhayat. That which is to be known. Jnyayancha Paramatmanam Yat Jñatva Muchyate Bhayat. Knowing that you will be freed from all your fears. Bhayat. Anatmani Saridada Vatma Buddhistu Ya Bhavet. So Bhayat, why Bhayam will come? Anatmani Saridada Vatma Buddhistu Ya Bhavet. So The cause of all the fear is assuming the Atma Buddhi in Anatma Vastu. So thinking this body I am. Body is not I am. So because thinking this body I am, at some point this body will fall away. That is the fear. At some point this body will get some corona disease. That is the fear. Some point this will be old and will not be functional. That is the fear. So all these fears will come, this mind thinking that this mind may lose its ability to learn, this mind may lose its ability to express, mind may lose its knowledge, wisdom. So mind, whatever is there in the mind. So thinking that Anatma Vastu being, my mind being I am, my body being I am. So this is the cause of Sarirad Avatma Buddhistu Ya Bhavet. Saiva Maya Tayaivasau Samsara Parikalpyate Rupe Dve Nischite Purvam Mayayaha Kulanandanaha. So Sayeva Maya. So what is Maya? Because of this wrong thinking, misidentification of the self, Tayai Va Asau Samsara Parikalpyate. It puts you into the cycle of samsara, into the action result cycle. So it will get you into the action, so taking up an action and taking the result, good or bad. Again it will cause further actions, further results, further actions. So samsara parikalpyate, rupe dve nischite purvam. So it has two rupas. Which one? This Maya has two rupas. Nischite purvam mayayaha kulanandanaha. So you born in my family, O Kulanandana. This has two forms. Nishchitam, definitive forms, it has two forms. Vikshepa avarane tatra pradhamam kalpeye jagat lingadya brahma paryantam so sthola sokshma vibhedataha. Vikshepa avarane. So the first one is Vikshepa. So Vikshepa is which creates something non-existing to appear as if existing. So Vikshepa Avarana. Other one is conceals what is the true nature of the self. So Vikshepa, which projects something which is not there, is one rupa of Maya. Avarana, which conceals whatever is there. Pradhamam kalpayet jagat lingadya brahma paryantam. From the linga, which yesterday we have in the Agastya's thing, we understood what is a linga, the linga swarupa of the prapancha. Lingadya brahma paryantam sthola sokshma vibhedataha, of gross and subtle nature. Sthola sokshma vibhedataha, of this all differences, what one creates. Aparam tat khilam jnana rupam abhaprutya tishtati. The other form which will conceal the true nature of the Jnana Rupam is closed by it. Mayaya kalpitam viswam paratmani kevale. In the Paratma, who is kevale, transcendent. In the kevala swarupa, paratmani kevale, Mayaya kalpitam viswam. Maya, in Maya, this viswam is created. Kalpitam are imagined, projected. Rajau bhujangavat bhrantya vichare nasti kinchana. So by properly inquiring into it, in as if the seeing of Bhujanga, the snake, in the Rajju, in the rope, Rajau bhujangavat bhrantya vichare nasti kinchana, shruyate drusyate yadvat smaryate va narais sadaha. So they will hear about it, see it, smaryate, they remember it. All these things, naraihi sada, all the people will experience it basically in all the ways. Asadevahi tatsarvam yadha swapna manoradhauh deha evahi samsara vrikshamulam dhrudam smrutam. So Rama is concluding, Asadevahi tatsarvam, Asat evahi, it is not ultimately real. Sat, it is not Sat. Asad evahi tatsarvam, yatha swapna manorathau. Example is, it is like a swapna manoratha, a dreaming consciousness, manoratha, or the mind state which is taking you into the dream. In the same way, dha swapna manoratha deha eva hi samsara vruksha moolam thrudam smrutam. This body alone is the seed of samsara vruksha moola. So the whole vruksha of samsara is born out of the body consciousness. Tanmoolah putradharadi bandha kinte anyathatmanah. By it reason only, sons, putra, Daradhi, wife, all these bandhas, all these attachments are there for this body alone. Bandha, kinte anyadhatmanaha, dehastu sthula bhutanam pancha tanmatra panchakam. So deha is made out of 5 tanmatras, 5 gross elements. Bhumirapo nalo nilaha. So right from earthly element of solid nature, water, liquid nature, and air, the gaseous nature, and fire, the metabolism, fire nature, and space, the enclosure, nature of enclosure, having some space around it. Panchatanmatra, ahankarascha, buddhischa, indriyani tadhadasya. So it also has an ahankara, ego factor, or I-ness, saying that this I am, that ahankara. Buddhi, an intellect, which is deciding something is right or wrong, all those things. Buddhischa, indriyani tadha dasa. There are 10 indriyas, panchakarmendriyas, panchajnanendriyas. So that is a well-known factor. So total 10. Chidabhaso manaschaiva moola prakrutirevacha etat kshetramiti jneyam deha ityabhidhiyate. So what is deha he is explaining. So body, so this 5 panchabhutas, moola prakruti, manaseva, chidabhaso manaschaiva, chida abhasa. The consciousness, reflected consciousness is only known as manas. So manas, buddhi, ahankara, indriyani, dasya, and panchatanmatra sthola bhutas, which are making up the body. This moola prakriti, etat kshetramiti jneyam. So to know this as kshetra, field where all the operations can happen. So body, gross body is not just the body, the whole world, panchabhutas put together, all that what is being seen, experienced by us is the kshetram, or the field to be known. That is the field. Yatad vilakshano jevaha paramatma niramayaha tasya jevasya vijnane sadhana nyapi me srunu. So which is vilakshanam, distinct from all these things, is jivaha. Kutastha is said in Bhagavad Gita. So Rama is saying the jiva, there is the individual, the true individual purusha, jiva, the individual self, the jiva, which is there. Jivaha paramatma niramayaha. It is paramatma only. It is the supreme soul only, supreme self alone. It is nothing different. Niramayaha. Etad vilakshano jivaha paramatma niramayaha. Tasya jivasya vijnane. So to know this jiva, to realize this jiva, sadhananyapi me srunu. So listen the sadhanas, or the technique to realize that jiva. Jivascha paramatmacha paryayo natra bedhadhi. So jiva and paramatma are the paryaya padas, means synonyms. They represent the same thing. Natra bedhadhi, they don't have any distinction between them. Manabhavastadha dambha himsa daparivarjanam. So mana bhavastadha dambha himsadi parivarjitam. So once given up the mana, means abhimana, means I am the doer, that abhimana, mine, I. So abhimana, dambha, himsa, all these things, leaving these things away. So sadhanas, so he is telling the sadhana marga. What is the method of realizing the jiva? Manabhavas tadha dambha himsadi varjanam, parapekshadi sahanam, sarvatra vakrata tatha, sarvatra avakrata tatha, mano vakkaya sadbhaktya sadguroho parisevanam. So having given up the abhimana, the ego, then given up dambha, the falsehood, dambha darpa, himsa, are causing danger, causing harm to others. Parivarjanam, having you. Para apekshadhi sahanam. Sahanam. You don't need to oppose them, you don't need to support them, you don't need to do anything about them. Just be indifferent to them. Sarvatra avakrata tatha. Not going in vakra marga, wrong paths, always being straightforward. Sarvatra avakrata tatha. Manovakkaya sadbhaktyaha sadguroho parisevanam. So manovakkaya, along with all the three karanas, mind, speech and body, sadbhaktya, having the right bhakti, sadguroho, to the sadgura, parisevanam. So having seva, doing the seva to sadguru. मनोवाक्काय सद्गुरोः परिसेवनम. बाह्याभ्यंतर संशुद्धि स्थिरता सत्क्रियादिषु मनोवाक्काय दंडश्च विषयेषु निरीहता. So बाह्याभ्यंतर संशुद्धि, inwardly and outward purity. Sthirata satkriyaadishu, having firm grounding in performing the good actions. Satkriyadishu, sthirata satkriyadishu. This is one very important nature. Having determined commitment to the sadhana is important. Lot of people get onto sadhana because of something, some smashana vairagya, prasuti vairagya kind of thing. I want to know the God. Lot of people will come. That persistence will not be there. So sthirata satkriyadishu manovakkaya dandascha vishayeshu nirihata. So having the control of all the manovakkayas, vishayeshu nirihata. Nirihata, not having attachment, not having desires to the vishayas. Nirahankarata, janma jaradyalochanantadha. So nirahankarata, not having ahankara. Janma jaradyalochana alochanantada, thinking about the next janma, jara, old age, death and etc. of asakti snehashunyatvam, putra dara dhanadishu, not having attachment, over attachment, I would say. Putra dara dhanadishu, towards the sons, wives, wealth, non-attached nature. Perform duties towards all of them, but snehasunyatvam. Ishtan ishtagame nityam, chittasya samata tadha. So ishtan ishta anishta, though there are favorable and painful things keep happening, all those things sarvatra samadha. So ishtan ishtagame nityam chittasya samata tadha. Within the chitta, having a equanimous nature. Ishta will happening, okay, good. Anishta will be happening, we have to still work towards them. Samata tadha. Mayi sarvatmake rame ananya vishayamatihi. In me, in the Rama, ananya vishayamatihi. So not having any second nature, having mind lodged in mind. Sarvatmake, who is the Atma of everybody, getting lodged in me. Janasambandhadi hitasuddha desa nishevanam prakrutair jananam janasanghaaschai hirati sarvada bhavet. So living in a isolated place. So as much as possible, isolated places. Janasanghadi rahita, not having crowded places with several people, several things which are happening, worldly matters. Prakrutai janasanghaischa hirati sarvada bhavet. Arati, not having so much of interest in having groups of people around. Such kind of attitude. Atmajnane sadodyogo Vedantardhavalokanam. Atmajnane sadodyogo. Always having interest in the Atmajnana. Vedantardhavalokanam. Always thinking about Vedanta Artha. Upanishad Vakyas or Guru Vakya, what Guru has said. keep repeatedly thinking about it and understanding them. Uktair Retair bhaved jnanam viparitair viparyaha. So if you develop all these attitudes, jnana will come. If you develop opposite of jnana will come. So he has mentioned some floors from 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 slokas, 5 slokas. He has explained all the attitudes of a sadhaka. And if viparitair, viparyayah. So opposite is opposite. Buddhi prana manodeha sankrutibhyo vilakshanaha chidatmaham nitya suddho buddhayeveti nischayam. So nischaya jnanam. So getting a firm wisdom about I am distinct from buddhi prana mano deha hankrutibhyo vilakshanaha, of different from intellect buddhi. I am different from prana, life force. Mano, I am different from my mind. Deha, I am different from my body. Ahankruti, I am different from my ahankara also. Vilakshanaha, distinct. Vilakshanaha, I am not having any lakshana of all these things. Different from here. Chidatmaham, I am pure consciousness. Nitya Suddho, Buddhayeveti Nischayam. I am always pure and always pure intellect, pure consciousness, pure alone, pure only, purity, not tainted by anything else. Nischayam, having firmly understood such nischaya, having decided thus. Yena jnanena samvitte tadjnanam nishchitancha me. So this is what is known as jnana of samvit. This is samvit, the complete jnana, complete knowledge. Tadjnanam nishchitancha me vijnanancha tadaiva tak sakshad anubhavet yada. So this is the knowledge or jnanam. When that comes into own experience, vijnanam is tadaiva sakshad anubhavet yada. When sakshatkara of this anubhava, so not anubhava through senses, so not through senses, not through mind, not through intellect, not through imagination, not through ahankara, thinking that I am that. No, all these things are not. Anubhava, sakshad anubhavat yada, that is called vijnanam. Atma sarvatra purnaha syat sachidanandatmako avyayaha buddhyadyupadi rahitaha parinama vivarjitaha. So that realization, nature of that realization is Atma sarvatra purnaha. Atma is ever fulfilled, ever filled with the bliss. Purnaha syat sachidanandatmako avyayaha. It is eternal, sat, eternal existent, eternally conscious, eternally blissful. Avyayaha, it is not diminishing or it cannot be spent away. It is avyayaha. Vyaya is to diminish or spend. We cannot spend that Atma. Buddhyad yupadi rahitaha. It don't have any form called like intellect. Buddhi adi. Right from buddhi, deha. No upadhi rahitaha. Parinama vivarjitaha. It is not transforming from one state to other state, one nature to other nature.